In the human mouth, there are different types of teeth, each with a specific function. The typical adult mouth consists of 32 teeth. Here are the important teeth and their names. Incisors: there are 4 incisors in the front of the mouth, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. They are used for cutting and biting food. Canines, or cuspids: there are 4 canines, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. Canines have pointed tips and are used for tearing and grasping food. Premolars, or bicuspids: there are 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw. Premolars have flat surfaces with ridges and are used for crushing and grinding food. Molars: there are usually 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. Molars have a larger surface area with multiple cusps, which helps in grinding and chewing food. In addition to the permanent teeth, there are also primary, or baby, teeth. Children typically have 20 primary teeth, which are later replaced by permanent teeth. It's important to note that the specific number and arrangement of teeth can vary between individuals. Additionally, some people may have wisdom teeth, which are the third molars that typically erupt in late adolescence or early adulthood. However, not everyone develops wisdom teeth, and in some cases, they may need to be removed if they cause problems such as impaction or crowding.